If you're trying to figure out how to use SuiteDash to manage online payment subscriptions, you're in the right place. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a full understanding of how to streamline your payments and get the most out of SuiteDash. Plus, I'll share a secret on how to access an exclusive free trial of the software, and even some alternatives that might just be a better fit for you. First, let's dive right into SuiteDash. This platform is powerful for managing clients, projects, and online payments all in one place. It's an all-in-one solution designed to help you with client management, billing, and keeping your operation smooth and professional. Next thing, setting up online payment subscriptions in SuiteDash is pretty simple once you know where to look. Start by logging into your SuiteDash account and navigating to the Client Portal section. This is where you'll manage all your payment plans. You can create customized subscription plans based on your pricing structure. SuiteDash allows you to set up recurring payments, whether you want them weekly, monthly, or annually. It's an easy way to ensure you get paid on time without constant invoicing. Now, the third thing, SuiteDash integrates with payment gateways like PayPal and Stripe. Once you've connected your preferred gateway, you can easily assign it to your subscription plans. It's a huge time saver since all payments will be automatically processed. You don't have to worry about manually tracking payments, which is a huge plus if you're managing multiple subscriptions. The fourth thing to note, SuiteDash lets you automate reminders. This means you can set up automatic emails to notify clients about upcoming payments or failed payments. This keeps everything running smoothly and saves you from chasing down clients for missed payments. It's one of the features that really makes SuiteDash stand out in the online payment space. Next up, SuiteDash gives you detailed reports on your payment history, making it easy to track how much income is coming in from subscriptions. This can help you forecast revenue and spot any trends or issues. It's an efficient way to get an overview of your subscription-based business at a glance. But let's talk about something a little more critical. While SuiteDash is a solid option, there are a few things to consider. The learning curve might be a bit steeper for new users, especially if you're not used to using all-in-one platforms. Plus, some users have mentioned that while it offers many features, it can feel a little overwhelming to navigate at times, especially when you're just trying to focus on payments. Now, I want to be fair to all the options out there. There are other platforms like Zoho Subscriptions, FreshBooks, and ChargeBee, which also manage payment subscriptions effectively. Zoho Subscriptions, for instance, offers a clean interface and is a great option for smaller businesses looking to manage subscriptions with minimal effort. FreshBooks offers solid invoicing features, but lacks the full suite of tools that SuiteDash provides. ChargeBee, while powerful, can be a bit pricier and might be overkill if you're just looking to manage basic subscription payments. But here's the twist, I have an exclusive offer for you. If you're interested in SuiteDash, through our link in the description, you'll get access to an extended free trial that you won't find anywhere else. And that's not all. I've also found some alternatives that might suit your needs even better, and they offer free trials too. Check them out and see which one fits your goals best. Whether it's SuiteDash or another solution, you'll get the best deal through our link. Make sure to take advantage of these offers and simplify your subscription management today.